So welcome. Nice to see you here. And first of all, I mean, if you want, if it may help you to follow the presentation, the slides are already available on my SlideShare account. And there will be a couple of activities where I will ask you, to interact. So if you have your mobile or your desktop and you wish, you can just go to that URL and get ready to this system. My idea is trying to have some interactive as much as possible presentations. So that's we'll leave just another second for you, for those of you interested to get the URL, and then I will start. When this presentation topic came to my mind, a few months ago, the organizers invited me to give this lecture here, and I've been thinking quite a lot on what to which kind of topic to present. I've been working in software architecture area since almost 20 years. So that was for sure my presentation topic. But then I had to pick one specific, and eventually I decided to go through this exploring the temporal aspects of software architecture. Let me first very briefly start on not introducing but give a context on first of all on software architecture, what I mean here with software architecture. First, you may all know the Sagrada Familia, exceptional building, right? And a few years ago, when I was visiting it, I think I personally understood what really software architecture is. We know that in our community we frequently use buildings in order to describe an architecture, but it's not this one the point, but that was what left me really interested. That's a model, that's an architecture, essentially an architectural model. What does this model shows? Abstraction. Okay, that's one of the main message I get from this representation. Another information is modeling, and another information is how can I do predictive analysis? How can I make a model, even if it's very abstract with respect to the reality, in order to evaluate with a very strange architecture, very unusual architecture, if this architecture is going to stay alive for a long time. And you can recognize that if you move it down, that's exactly a kind of a representation of the Sagrada Familia. And this was made by Gaudí